guys, Rhett here. What's going on at my client Dave's property? Guys, Dave spends his time between the United States and England, where he is in the military in England and in the US. So really excited for Dave. This is going to be his first Section 8 rental property. It's a 3-bedroom home. He bought it for just under $100,000 and it is going to rent for about $1,200 a month. So we put a brand new HVAC system on it. We did all the necessary items to get this unit ready to pass the Section 8 inspection. Come on in and we'll show you what it looks like. So guys, for a lot of you who want to get into properties that are turnkey, and when we talk about turnkey, homes that don't need a ton of rehab, this is a really good example of that. And when we buy houses that are closer to turnkey, we have to make sure that they're really turnkey. So when we came to look at this house, we know right away, hey, it looks really, really good. There's been some work done, but what has the quality of work been? A lot of times what you'll find in a lot of these turnkey houses, a lot of the cosmetic work will have been done, but a lot of the important stuff, plumbing, HVAC systems, roofs, is not done. And that was similar to this unit here, where we put a brand new HVAC system on because HVAC didn't work. So we'll walk you guys through it, okay? Of course, we have our living room here, and we come into our kitchen. So all original hardwoods here. We have LVP here in the kitchen, brand new refrigerator, brand new stove, brand new vents, new cabinets, brand new countertops. So really, really nice. And this home is already getting a ton of applications. We actually chose a tenant already. We got about 30 applications for this home. In the first 24 hours, we chose a tenant inside of that. The first 24 hours for $1,200 a month, 100% Section 8 voucher. Pretty unbelievable. So coming through here, guys, we leave the living room. We come down the hallway. All of this down here is refinished hardwood. So what we'll find a lot of times in houses is a lot of houses have hardwood underneath their, whether it's carpet, whether it's LVP, whether it's vinyl sheet flooring, whatever it is, we'll find that there are a lot of original hardwoods underneath. Now, the question is always, do we want to refinish the hardwood or do we want to put down LVP or put carpet over it? And a lot of that has to do with the condition of the house, who we're trying to rent it to, budget on the rehab job, availability of supplies, availability of our teams that come in to refinish hardwood. This is one of those that we didn't have to make that decision because it was already finished. It looks really good. This is one of those houses that I'm okay with my clients buying as turnkey. Now, it's still not turnkey because we still have to get ready for Section 8. We still have to put a brand new HVAC system on the back, right? But overall, this is about as close to turnkey as a house will get, and really, really nice. I'm really happy with this unit. You guys understand too, so coming down the hallway, you guys know that I like when everything is nice and situated and very clean and good layouts. This is another really good example of that. The layout in here is a little bit small, but square footage wise, it's still pretty strong, still strong enough to get what we need to get. So we have our closet in here, guys, in bedroom number 1, plenty of outlets, all 3-prong outlets, all grounded. That was another item here that was not the case. So all the outlets in here weren't grounded. So all that would fail a Section 8 inspection. In order to pass a Section 8 inspection, we had to come in here, change the electrical, and make sure that all of our outlets were grounded. So bedroom number 1, you come right across the hall into our bathroom. Beautiful bathroom, brand new sink, brand new toilet, brand new tub, all brand new hardware, brand new light fixtures, okay? Everything in here, guys, looking really, really nice. And obviously you see why this flew right off the market for rentals. Coming in here, guys, bedroom number 2, one of our bigger bedrooms. We have our closet right here. Again, we did all the electrical in all of these rooms. So we have our closet right here, and then we share a wall with bedroom number 3. We have a linen closet right here, and then bedroom number 3, which is also a bigger of the 3 bedrooms. So we have our 2 bedrooms in the back of the house are a little bit bigger than our bedroom in front. and overall really, really nice. So excited for Dave. And guys, one thing that is really important, and I have a lot of clients who live in other countries and a lot of clients who live in California and Florida and Chicago and Boston and Texas and who are spread out everywhere, right? The way that we set things up, you can be successful investing in other states across the country, thousands of miles away, in other countries, just like Dave will be doing, and not have to worry about anything. You know the work is going to be done leading up to this. You know that tenants are going to be vetted and placed in units, and all that's going to be taken care of for you. You don't have to deal with Section 8. You don't have to deal with caseworkers and inspectors. All that stuff's going to be taken care of. And then, of course, Dave and I, we found this house together. We were looking at properties daily together. We were discussing offers daily together. So every aspect of this we will do together. If you want to do something like that, shoot me an email in the description below. Guys, please leave questions, comments. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.